Take a moment to check out the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an iconic Toyota Tacoma that's ready for work or play. This midsize pickup is ready to tow or hit the trail and comes loaded with driver assistance and safety features. Rugged and capable, it's the right choice for your adventurous spirit. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, satellite radio, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, bucket seats, front reading lamps, power windows. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.